This was already salted. Peace and Pan-Africanism. This is your big brother King Kong Consciousness. We're putting the salt down at the Most Honorable Frederick Douglass, Most Honorable Marcus Garvey, RBG, International Leadership Academy. We're doing what we got to do. Shout out to all my Africans in the world, my continental Africans, my European Africans, my Asiatic Africans, my South Pacific Africans, my Caribbean Africans, my South American Africans, my Central American Africans, my Canadian Africans, my Mexican Africans, my Texas Africans, my Carolina Africans, my Virginia Africans, my Massachusetts, Connecticut, Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire Africans, my New York Africans, Kentucky Africans. Where my St. Lunatic Africans at? St. Louis in the building. My Kansas City Africans, my New Jersey Africans, my Pennsylvania Africans. Oh, yes, Kentucky and Minneapolis and Omaha Africans, my Mississippi and Louisiana, my Baton Rouge and New Orleans Africans. We got to work, brother. We got to do this work. Hit your Cash App. If you wish you could be here to help, just hit your Cash App. Just hit your Cash App, $ FDMG School. All you got to do is hit your Cash App. Just hit your Cash App. Hit your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Support the movement, Africans. Support the movement, Africans. You already done, youngin'? Yes, indeed. I got my young king helping me out all the way from Nigeria. This is a Pan-African institution. If you got a problem organizing with Africans from all over the world, then you got a problem with me. I want to say that right now. ADOS and FBA, you're not allowed at this school if you got issues with African people. If you don't see yourself as one, you cannot come here. This is a Pan-African institution. Everything we do in the name of global African solidarity, global African unity, global African organization. If you got a problem with that, don't come, because all you're going to do is end up in the book of Negroes. All you're going to do me a favor, youngin', your pot empty? Fill up and pass it to me, because mine almost done. You feel me? So I'm telling y'all right now, ADOS and FBA, if you die hard into that anti-African, you are not allowed on this campus. Pretendians, you are not allowed on this campus. Anybody who want to be anything other than black African, this ain't the place you want to be. This is not the place you want to be. Go build your own institutions. My bad, y'all ain't got none. Go build your own institutions. My bad, y'all ain't got none. Brothers and sisters, we are about the unification of all African people everywhere. Yes, sir. Good to see you, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just throwing some ice down. You feel me? Yes, sir. Hold on to that one. I might need that one, but let's see what happens. Do me a favor, youngin'. That shovel, where the other one at? I had 2 blue ones. Did I take one inside? I might have took one inside. Put that shovel over there with that one for me if you don't mind. Okay, where did I stop? I stopped around here. Yes, indeed, brothers and sisters. I do whatever the movement calls for. If I got the shovel, I got the shovel. If I got to do salt, I got to do salt. Whatever we got to do, brothers and sisters. Oh, you know, yeah. Do me a favor, youngin'. You know what? Take this. I'm going to have you finish salting. I'm going to grab the shovel because I got to get that snow right there. So finish salting that for me. Wow, look at this. Look at that. The bugs is huddled together. This is what black people should be doing. Look at the RBG fireflies huddled together. Look at that unity. Look at that unity. Because it's so cold outside, they huddled together. Look at them. Look at the bees. Look at the bugs right there, bro. Look how they huddled together. You think they dead, they awoke. That's called unity. That's what we need. That's called unity. That's called organization right there. Look at the solidarity with the bugs. Look at the solidarity with the bugs. Let's see what happens. Look, they fighting me. The bugs is fighting me. Look at the solidarity with the bugs. My bad, young. This is our last piece. And you went around the corner, right, with the ice? Okay. Let me get this. Y'all think everything funny. That's a damn shame. Everything is funny to y'all. Everything is funny to y'all niggas. Y'all don't take nothing serious. Woo. They plotting on my downfall. We're all the sisters who pray for Dr. Umar every day in FDMG. We're all my sisters who pray for Dr. Umar. If you pray for Dr. Umar and FDMG, where you at, my queens? Where my prayer warrior queens at? Where my prayer warrior queens at? Right. How much you got in there, youngin'? Let me see. Get me some more. I'm gonna do this last part. Do it about a half bucket. Where are my prayer warrior African queens at? Somebody take that picture right there. That's a nice picture. Me with the mural in the back, the Mount Rushmore. Somebody take that picture and text it to me. Somebody take that picture right there. We're going to call that picture triple RBG. We're going to call that picture triple RBG. Somebody take that. We're not worrying about the snow. The snow is on the ground. The red, black, and green is in the sky. The snow is on the ground. The red, black, and green is on the sky. Where are my prayer warrior queens at? If you're not praying for the success of this movement, I don't even want to see you here. Black children forever, special ed never. Black children forever, special ed never. Black boys forever, public school never. Black girls forever, teenage pregnancy never. Black girls forever, teenage pregnancy never. I said black girls forever, teenage pregnancy never. Oh yes. Oh yes. Is the school open yet? No silly questions now. No silly questions. Hit that Cash App, $ FDMG school. Hit that Cash App. Okay. I'm right behind you, young, and I'm gonna push this one out for you. What up, youngin? Don't even worry about it. I just finished it up.
I know he called me last second.
Now I didn't even know we had ice. You feel me? Good looking out.
It's supposed to freeze rain later.
I need you to, because I got to leave town today. So if that happened, I need y'all to come handle it for me.
He at the plant now getting all the salt and stuff now.
Okay, yeah, because I got to leave town today. So anything happen over this next week, I need y'all to handle me and I take care of you. Okay, bro. Okay, let me get that from you, youngin. Put that over there with that other one. Where did you stop at? About here? But okay. HBCU Edward Waters University, are you ready? Jacksonville, Florida, tomorrow night at the Milne Auditorium, are you ready? I said HBCU Nation, Jacksonville, Florida. I want to see all my Jacksonville Africans. Where my Jacksonville, Florida Africans at? Where my North Florida Africans at? Where my Southern Georgia Africans at? Pull-up season. I heard it's sold out, but it's a waiting list. I heard it's sold out, but it's a waiting list. Young blood, grab that ice bag for me, please, and bring it up to the door. Pull-up season. Jacksonville, are y'all ready? Cincinnati, Ohio, February the 20th, the day Frederick Douglass joined the ancestors. Cincinnati sold out, are you ready? Jacksonville sold out, are you ready? Cincinnati sold out, are you ready? Stockholm, Sweden, are you ready? Stockholm, Sweden, are you ready? Where my European Africans at? Stockholm, Sweden, are you ready? Sydney, Australia, are you ready? Melbourne, Australia, are you ready? Queensland, Australia, are you ready? Woo! Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit your Cash App, $FDMG School. Hit your Cash App. Melanin Drip. Jacksonville, Cincinnati, double sellout, back-to-back sellouts. There's a waiting list for both of them, though. There's a waiting list for Jacksonville, Edward Waters tomorrow. I got to do one more little piece, and then we're going to wrap for a minute before I hit this road. A little bit left, perfect. You know what? Let me put them in here. Look at the bugs freezing. Put that in that black one for me, Yanni. I'll be right back. Look at that beautiful FDMG park right there. Look at that beautiful FDMG park right there. Look at that beautiful FDMG park right there. Oh, yes. Who ready for the 3rd annual festival? You did this already, right, youngin? Okay. Who coming to the 3rd annual FDMG festival? 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 I'm not no doctor. Go ask your mama if I'm a doctor, ninja. Another crust stash ninja. Another crust stash ninja. I'ma call you MC Skid Mark, ninja. You little crusty ninja. I'ma call you MC Skid Mark. They said shout out to the young brother helping. We done. The job is done. The job is done, y'all. We finished. How y'all like that? We shoveled it. We salted it. Can I get an ashe? Can I get an amen? Can I get an ashe? Can I get an amen? Can we finish, y'all? Ifatunde Avenue, Dr. Papa Boulevard, Prince of Pan-Africanism Parkway. This is what we do. We build schools for black children. What y'all do? We build schools for black children. What y'all do? We build schools for black children. What y'all do? Hit the Cash App if you need to reach me by text 215-989-9858. By text 215-989-9858. By text 215-989-9858. MC Skid Mark, relax.